All right, so this is how to use Xpression. This is a very, very basic overview of how to do very, very simple things. So first, you're going to open up Xpression Prime. So you double click it. It opens up. It's going to open up what's called a scene right here. So this will be your blank for your overlay. So to do something simple like text, you're going to go over here to text, click it. You'll see a text field open up down here, and you'll see your cursor there. You'll use the keyboard to type up something. All right, once you have that, whatever you want to type up, whether it be a name, phone number, website, what have you, to move it, you're going to cursor up to Move tool. You click that. You're going to grab this little yellow ball, and you'll be able to move it around the screen wherever you want. So you'll set it there. If you want to change fonts, you can go into a menu and change your fonts through here. There's plenty of fonts you can scroll through. Something nice and big. You can also set strokes and borders. You can edit all of this stuff. So you can go in, click edit material when you highlight it on anything. And you can go in, change colors. Right. If you want to change the thickness, you can use this to move up, or you can simply just type in a number. If you want to change sizes, you can. Or, like I said before, you can go in and just change it. And once you have it up and where you want it to be able to put it actually as the as what comes out of the CG input, you simply double click it and you'll see it pop up on the CG, under CG on the multi-viewer. Okay, so next up is how to add pre-made graphics. So to add pre-made graphics, what you're going to do is create a new scene by clicking this little plus sign. All right, you're gonna make sure you're in your new scene. And if you have something pre-made, you'll load it in through your USB or a portable hard drive. The way to get to that is you just go to Start, Computer, and you're gonna select your drive. Once it's there, you're gonna go to the folder where your graphics are. And once there, you just grab your graphic, slide it over, and it'll drop it right in there. And once you have that graphic, then it's basically using it exactly, using the tools exactly how you use it for the text. So you can resize through here by putting in numbers. So this one is 1920 if I wanted to be full screen. You can use the Move tool to move them around and make sure you're centered. There's also a rotation tool, so you can actually rotate this to look however you want it to look. This is the scale tool, so you can actually scale it with this on the X and Y axis. And this is the pivot tool, which will allow you to pivot it up and down off of that access point to help you further make it look however you want it to look. And of course, to put it on the screen, you're going to double click it and it'll pop up under the CG window on the multi-viewer.